She shouldn't have been there. She wasn't even a people person. You don't have nobody.
Well, that probably was the thing. She probably was trying to run into the ground.
Right.
Especially because black people
That's terrible.
yes,
They thought that they didn't need it. I know y'all saw this.
that's my first time.
Well, it might be like 45.
Oh, no.
I said, first off, and I told her, I said, I know y'all slow, but it's not simple like that. I have pretty customers. I said, yeah, the one that ain't got no quarter go nowhere else.
Okay, they walk around.
So you just made me cancel my order. I don't want anything. That's what I said.
I feel the same.
He sounds so discouraged, and I hate her. You know what I mean? It's like selfish for him. That's some fun talk. You know what I'm saying? People don't put her away, but it's like them become lost. They okay. They do that at fast food. Well, it's gonna be 15 minutes. It's gonna be 15 minutes. Well, it's more than 20 minutes.
Exactly. That's how yesterday I went to Dollar General and this dude had just ran out of the Shampoo. Man, I said the lady and they was talking so bad. I'm just like, you're gonna run everybody else like, I live a home like without Dollar General. I'm like, you
Hello. How you doing?
And she was touching and everything. I was just like, girl, give me my baby wipe. And she said, he ain't no answer that damn bad. How you know? He didn't eat no pampers because he ran out of there with about the pampers. Why you talking about? Yeah.
For a middle part, for a side part. This is the anchor braid all the way around. This is for the leave out here. All the way down to the back. So all this is going to be sewn in right here.
She's talking about they keep stuff off the shelf and extra price. What is your point of work?
This is for the leave out. And all this is for the side part. This is for the middle part. And all this is going to be sewn down right here. Cap. Versatile sewing.